In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Netlify. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to link your very own domain to your Netlify site can significantly enhance your site's professionalism and functionality. So, let's dive right in and get your website set up with your custom domain. First things first, we're going to add your custom domain to Netlify. This step is where we'll tell Netlify what domain we want to connect. Start by navigating to your site's dashboard on Netlify. Here, you'll find options for managing your site, and we're aiming to connect a domain. Look for buttons labeled Add Domain, Add a domain you already own, or Set up custom domain. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on recent updates to the interface, but they all point to the same function: getting that custom domain lined up perfectly with your site. After clicking the appropriate button, you'll be prompted to enter your domain. Now, this could be the main domain itself, like yourdomain.com, or it could be a subdomain, such as yourdomain.com. Carefully type in your chosen domain to ensure there are no typos, as these can lead to connection errors or could potentially point to an incorrect site. Once you've double-checked and you're confident everything looks correct, go ahead and verify the domain. The verification process is a crucial step. Netlify needs to confirm that you own the domain you're trying to connect. This typically involves a few additional steps outside of Netlify itself, where you would access your domain registrar to confirm ownership. Be on the lookout for prompts on Netlify that will guide you to complete these verifications, as they can vary depending on your registrar. Ensuring this step is thoroughly completed will smooth out the transition and enable your site to start using the custom domain without hitches. As you are working through these steps, keep in mind that some domain registrars might have a propagation period, which means changes won't take effect immediately. Typically, this can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours. So, it's perfectly normal for there to be a short delay. Throughout this process, maintaining patience and attention to detail can save you an immense amount of potential troubleshooting later on. Once everything is set up, your site will seamlessly use the custom domain, giving your online presence a more tailored and professional feel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to connect a custom domain to Netlify, opening up a world of customization and branding for your site. Thank you for following along, and happy building.